Hi my love, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you two ways you can use to create your thumbnail or your cover photo. So the first way is to actually use the video you have done, the video you have recorded, okay, and you click on the cover photo, okay, then you'll be able to select a cover photo. I think this is fine, or you select a smiley face. So what I do from the beginning of my video or at the end of my video is to smile, and or I'll just make a shot for my thumbnail. So what I'm going to do now is to edit cover. Now I want to add text, okay. I'm going to add text to this. This is the tutorial, thumbnail tutorial. So all I'm going to do is just to name it thumbnail, thumbnail, okay. Then you choose your font. You want it to be elegant, you want it to be bold and simple, okay. Click on styles if you want to style it, okay. If you want to, you just you work on it and you make it very simple, okay. And if you want to change your color, you can actually do that. So for this, I don't need any of that, so I'll just take this here. Then I'll click on size. I want to reduce this. Remember, you have to make it bold and simple. So I will input that. Then the next one, I'll still add another text, okay. Then I'll write tutorial. I'm going to change the style, okay, to elegant. Font to elegant as well. So you can actually make it bold and just walk around it. Thumbnail tutorial. You can see it's as simple as that. After you have done that, you click on that mark, okay. After you've clicked on the mark, it's going to be like this. Thumbnail tutorial is very simple, and so what I'm going to do now is to save. Click on this save, okay. So it's going to save at the beginning of my video, and if you want to upload it on YouTube, okay, all you have to do is to select the beginning of your video and you'll see the thumbnail. All right. Okay guys, for the second method, all you have to do is to get a background, okay. You can actually get a background from Pinterest or Google. Just make sure that the background image you're getting is free, so it won't be a copyrighted background. So all you have to do is to import it to your CapCut, just as you import your video, but this time around it's picture. Then you click on aspect ratio here, then you select 16:9 because that's just the normal size for thumbnail. Then you click on OK, okay. So this picture is too like, I want to make it blur, okay. I don't actually like the way it is, so I'll click on effect, okay. Then I'll click on video effect. You can actually download a blurred picture, okay, but me, I'm not downloading a blur picture. I rather make it blur myself. So I'll click on blur, okay. I can actually control the way I want it blur. It can be like this or like that. I don't want it to blur, so I think it's okay like this. Then I'll click on OK. So now I'm going to add overlay, okay. Now the overlay I'm adding is the picture I have already removed the background, okay. So I'll add the picture I've already removed the background here. Okay, let me use this one. I will add this to it, okay. Then all I have to do now is to work on this picture. That is, I will brighten it to make it bold, okay. I have to make this bold. enough for people to see. Okay, after I've done that, I'll add my text now. Okay, then I'll write my text. Okay, thumbnail. Remember to make your thumbnail very simple and eye-catchy. Okay, thumbnail is the first thing your viewers will see, and that's what to make them click on your video. So all you have to do is to make it simple, eye-catchy, and straightforward. Okay, let your thumbnail tell them more about what the video entails. So right now I'm going to click on my font. I want it elegant. Okay, so after I made it elegant, I'll click on style, I'll click on background, I'll click on no. Okay, the background, I want it black. Okay, yes, I want it black and bold. So here I have it. Okay, then I'll click on okay. I'm okay with this, so that's enough. I'll click on okay. Then I'm still going to add another text. Okay, I'm going to add another text. Tutorial. So all I'm going to do is to bring this down. Okay, then I'll click on, it's still on elegant. Okay, yeah, I want to click on my style. I want to change the background to white. Okay, then let me leave it at black. Let me change I want to change the tutorial itself to white. Okay, let me leave it as this. Then let me click on background. Right, yes. So I want to adjust this a bit. Okay, now I've done it. So after I've done this, I'll make it smaller a bit. Okay, then I just want to design it. Okay, just do whatever it is you can do best. Okay, so I'll leave that as that. Okay, now I'm talking about CapCut. Okay, if you're talking about any app at all you have to do is to download whatever icon, is to download the icon of whatever app you're using. So right now I'm using CapCut, so I have to add a CapCut so what I'm going to do now is to click on this image. After I click on the image, I'll go to remove background. Let me use Chrome key to see. If I remove the white, it's going to affect, so it's just better I leave it. Let me just crop it. Okay, let me transform it, because I don't need it to remove the background of the whole video. So I'll just crop this. Okay, that's enough. So now I'll click on it to make it smaller. Okay, it's too bold for what I want to use it for. Okay, so I'll place it somewhere here. Okay, as you can see, this is looking so good already. We are not done. So now I'm going to click on adjust. I really want to still work on this, so I'll click on saturation. I want it +5 or -5. Okay, so I didn't actually touch it. So what I want to do now is to click on bright. Just work on it. Work on something. No, that's too much. So I think I'm okay with that. Then I'll click on sharpen. I want to sharpen this because at the end of the day, if I screenshot it, it will still maintain the brightness, okay, and the sharpness. So I'll sharpen this a bit. Okay, I'm going to leave it at 48. Then we are done. Okay, all you have to do now is to save this. Or you make a screenshot. Okay, after you have made your screenshot, then you crop it out. Voila, you have your thumbnail. Okay, so this is how you go about it. If you really enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give me a subscribe. Please like my video, and please don't forget to share this video for others to come and learn. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. See you in my next one.